I scared you because you scared me.
Hello guys, good morning. So for now, luluto kasi ako ng soup ni Miles and then naisipan ko lagyan siya ng gulay. Kunin na natin yung mga talong na tanim ni Mama. Ano, mahigad. Ito yung gusto ko. Ito kasi medyo maliit pa. So, isa na lang muna. Pero madami naman siyang mga bula-bulaklak. So, yun, nakuha ko na. Hiwain ko na lang siya ng maliliit para makain din kasi ni Miles. Kasi siya kumakain ng gulay. So, pag hindi mo sinasabing may gulay, makakakain siya. Sisigaw na yung bossing ko. So, yun. I'm cooking. Nag-request siya kasi sabi niya gusto niya ng soup.
Look at my lips.
Okay. Bulaga!
You scared me again.
Pwede na to. Yan, ito na yung final soup natin. Lalagay lang tayo sa para kay Miles. Yes?
Maybe someone is calling you.
Someone is calling me?
Because you scared me. I scared you because you scared me.
Micey! Eating time!
Okay. I want noodles. Noodles, please.
You tell me that you want soup. Now you want noodles. I just finished cooking your soup.
But it's not vegetable.
No, it's not vegetable.
But this.
No, it's not.
The this. Here, what